Hey, it's Diane. Happy today. I haven't been here for a while, and I just felt compelled to come on today and talk about taking in your wins every day. Now, today I hosted my TV show this morning. I had on an amazing guest, Lee Jagger. She is a sexpert, and she talked about how to rock it in the bedroom. It is a must-see show. So I'll put a link in the comment section below so you can check it out. And then I had 3 incredible life-changing meetings today, just by being present, just by being clear about knowing what it is I want, being able to eloquently communicate that to somebody, and was surrounded by people who absolutely support me and want to help me, and in return I'm helping them as well. So now what I'm doing is I'm sitting here by the water, sitting in front of the ocean and the sunset and looking at the beauty that's here, so I can sit and integrate it and really celebrate the wins of what happened today. And that's how it's done. It's done by knowing what you want, being able to articulate that and share that with people, and share your goals, share your dreams, because there's so many people out there that want to help make it happen. So what is it that you want? What is it that you're dreaming about? What is it that you need help and support with? Because when you share it with people, they get on board with you. They want to help you. So equally as important is sitting in it for the moment, taking a moment to pause and actually integrate it, celebrate it, embrace it, and know that the tiny little pieces of the puzzle that is your life that you put together moment by moment, day by day. And so don't let this day go by wasted without celebrating those wins. And maybe your win today was getting out of bed and taking a shower, but maybe your win was something more than that. Maybe you did something that really scared the heck out of you, but you did it and you feel better anyway. That's how we live intentionally. That's how we live on purpose. And that's how our goals and dreams come to fruition. By doing that, these micro brave steps turn into these macro massive results. So I hope you did something today that scared you. I hope you stretched yourself in some way. I hope you put some pieces into the puzzle that move your life forward, and that you are moving closer and closer to your dreams. Sending you so much love and light.